I'm sorry. I am literally bouncing off the walls right now. You want to know why? Ask me. No, this is like kind of natural. Okay, kind of cuckoo. Anyway, so let's make some strawberry keto frosting. Okay, you're gonna need, let's see, I could count 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. Okay, so you're gonna want to start with, let's start with our heavy cream. I'm sorry. I knew I probably shouldn't have drank that before going live. You know what? Let me show you what's in my cup. See, this is the reason I'm sipping on some ketones, okay? Naturally charged, like totally off caffeine right now. But anyway, all right, so you're gonna take 3 cups of heavy cream, okay? So, here's 1. Now, if you have a stand mixer, this totally is gonna make it worthwhile. If not, use a hand mixer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 3 cups of heavy cream and start whipping it, okay? Once it starts to get thickened, you're gonna slowly add your powdered sugar, okay? And of course, I'm gonna use Swerve because we want to keep the sugar content minimal, right? So 2 and 3 cups. Beautiful. Okay. And it's so simple. You don't have to buy that stuff in the can anymore. So just have that mix. Okay. So while that's mixing, you're gonna want to have a half a cup of sugar-free powdered sugar. Okay. So, and also you're gonna want 5 ounces of softened cream cheese. So what I did, I pulled out the cream cheese, left it on the counter while I got ready, okay? So it's nice and soft. So again, no worries, it's all good. Now I am going to add some strawberry extract, and that is going to be 1/8 of a teaspoon, okay? So while that's going, let me go put this back in the fridge. Again, patience. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Okay. Now let me put this away. Another thing when you're cooking, just a side tip, try to clean as you go, because there's nothing better than just having a clean, uncluttered area, yeah? Alright, so let me put this away. Again, so we're starting with 3 cups of heavy cream in the mixer. We're gonna wait for that to thicken a little bit, and then we're gonna add half a cup of powdered sugar. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to frost your cake. Okay. You can do this by hand, but it's going to take a while, okay? And you'll need to have a lot of arm strength and patience. But we're getting there. Okay. Let me show you. Can you see how that's stripping? Let's do it this way. Okay. See how it's thickened? Perfect. So now I'm going to add my half a cup of powdered sugar. Okay, there we go. So half cup. You don't want the confectioner sugar, you want the one that's really powdered, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in and start mixing. I'm gonna start slow because I don't want the powder to go all over the place. Yes, I've learned the hard way. All right, so here we go. And then once that's kind of mixed thoroughly, I'm going to add 5 ounces of cream cheese. Again, I had set this out earlier this morning so it could soften. Otherwise, you'll kind of get like a big blob of cream cheese, and we want to avoid that. Okay. Oh, perfect. I wish you guys could see this, so let me show you how this is. See? How simple is that? Probably faster to make your own icing than getting ready, getting in your car, driving to the grocery store, buying that thing in the jar, right? Okay. And this way you know exactly what's in your recipe. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm almost ready to add the cream cheese. Let me wash my hands, hold on. Alright, so now let me add my cream cheese. And I am going to try to separate it a little bit. Okay. And that's 5 ounces of softened cream cheese. And we'll mix that. So now I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of strawberry flavored extract. You can add any kind of flavoring, honestly. You can, if you want to keep it like a plain white vanilla ice cream. I've got ice cream on my mind because I shall be making a keto ice cream. It's just that, what I need. I needed to find some rock salt. Yeah, rock salt. Anyway, okay, so let's see. Getting nice and thick. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I love my cream cheese whipped cream. Okay. Look at that goodness. Can you see? Oh my. Let me just scrape the sides, and I'm gonna whip it just for a little bit more. And okay. Almost ready. Okay. And that's it. Okay, I put my finger in this, right? Let me go get another spatula. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful frosting, not out of the jar. Fresh made. Ta-da! Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this for now because I'm going to get our cakes so that we can use this beautiful frosting. Ciao!